Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, hope you all are doing well. So, today I am going to show you how to make awesome animation with SVG, HTML, and CSS. Without wasting time, let's get started. Before starting the video, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. In my previous video, I shown how to use SVG file and design it in Figma for animation. Go watch my previous video of SVG animation part 1 and then proceed with this video to know better. I always give random shout to my subscribers in my videos. So, today's shout out goes to Weeksa. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, and keep on watching my videos.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me be there again. Let me feel you. Fall into your
so cliche. I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning,
So this is the full tutorial of how to create SVG animation using Figma, HTML, and CSS. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out the project and the source code in the description below. And if you like it, then click the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more. Bye, see you in the next video.